Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding DAX formatter. So we write DAX for lots of measures and we write DAX for creating columns and tables. So sometimes when DAX statements goes long, when it have variables, when it have multiple conditions if statements. So sometimes the lazy programmers will not format the code. They will just write it like this, so they would forget formatting. So at that point of time, there is a website that can help you in that formatting. You can just copy the whatever code, so the messy code, whatever it is like this, you can copy and you can paste it here, and you can click the format button, and that will format the code for you, and you will get the most proper code. So that hideous code which you have written will be changed to a good formatted code. So we can try an example for that. So we have a data set and we have some measures here. We have the total sales profit and the sales profit last year. So we will take the metrics table and we will take the year and the month name. Now we will select the total sales profit and the profit last year. And now we are going to get the year over year. That means profit year over year. So this profit column subtracted by this profit same period last year. So simply you can't write year over year formula. You have to check some conditions that whether it is blank here or whether it is blank here, because you might get negative values and you might get the full value of same period last year. Instead of that, you need blank rows here. So we will write a measure for that. We will give the name as YOY equals to, you can write it as, can create a variable underscore YOY equals to profit minus profit same period last year. And then we will write return, and then we will check the code. If is empty is blank, we need to check whether this column is blank. These rows are blank for the year. So we need to check whether profit same period last year is blank. And if it is blank, you can keep it as a blank itself. And if it is not blank, then we are going to check whether this column is blank in any of the rows. So we will check if is blank profit. If it is profit, then you can give it as a blank. Otherwise, we are going to give this value YOY. So this is the code. This is actually a readable code, but since we have written everything together, it is kind of a messy one. So first we will put that YOY inside this table. So this YOY is working. We need a blank here, and at the same time we need the blank here also. That's why we have given two if statements, and the exact difference we have got it. Most of the places it is negative, but it doesn't matter. We just needed this code to make it proper. We will copy the code. We'll take this date formatter website. You can place the code here and you can click format. So after clicking format, you got the formatted code here, which is written very properly. We have a single line for variable declaration, then a single line for return. Then the if statement has been divided to two. Since two if statements are there and it is tabbed for properly. So this is the formatted code we need, and you can copy this and you can paste it instead of this message. So now this looks more good or more readable than the previous one. So hope this will be helpful for you. Have a nice day.